Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an auto subscribe link, whereby once your people click on that link, once your audience click on the link, they will automatically be asked to subscribe to your channel. So if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow a YouTube channel. So if this is your first time right here, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value watching this. So for you to create this kind of link, I'm saying it is very simple. Just go to your profile, just like we have right here, then click on this pencil icon right here. Once you click on that, then right here you can see where we have channel URL. Can you see that? So just copy that. Once you copy the link, then go to your notepad. So right here I'm on my notepad, so you can see I already have something like question mark sub underscore confirmation equals to 1. So paste your link before this. So let's paste our link before that. So now we have something like this. So once you've pasted that, so right here, once anyone clicks on this particular link, they will be prompted to subscribe to your channel. I see, that's very simple. So just go ahead and do this, and once you are done creating this, add it to your YouTube channel back page where they ask you to add a link. So just go ahead and add it right there, and once you add it right there, then you have something like this. Can you see how mine is showing right here? Are you seeing? So this is it right here. You get to add it right here. So go to your YouTube studio and go ahead and add this link where you have the link section. So I believe you got value, guys. If you did, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial.